Colin from NRMA. We're talking about electric vehicles and how they recharge the battery. Now, depending on what electric vehicle you have, if it's a conventional hybrid, there's basically nothing that you need to be concerned about as you're driving the vehicle. Every time you take your foot off the accelerator, there's a thing called regenerative braking, which recharges the battery. If the battery starts to get a little bit too low, the petrol motor will cut in, once again recharging the battery. As we move ahead to the plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, these vehicles do exactly the same as a conventional hybrid. The only difference being is that you now have the ability to plug the vehicle in, whether it's a 240 volt at home, a stage 1, a stage 2, which is you'll find at a shopping centre, or a stage 3 charger, which is a fast charger that NRMA has. We've got over 40 of them spread across New South Wales. It is a way of recharging the battery at a faster rate without having to drive the vehicle to recharge. The final electric vehicle we have is a full electric vehicle, which is a battery electric vehicle. These vehicles have regenerative braking, so once again, every time you take your foot off the accelerator, it does recharge. And you also need to plug them into the wall or a fast charger to recharge the battery fully. If you want to know anything extra about electric vehicles, don't forget to jump on the NRMA website, mynrma.com.au.